Hi, in this video I will show you another interesting operation for creating 3D solids in 3D CAD systems. This operation is called Loft. I will create shapes of different profiles here. For now, I will create two such profiles, and now I will change the position of one of these profiles. I press the G key to activate the move command and move this profile a bit upwards. Now I switch to face selection, and with the Shift key, I select these two areas. I choose the Loft operation. This operation works in such a way that it creates an extrusion through profiles. In this case, we had two profiles, and the extrusion was made in such a way that a transition was created from this profile to that profile with a change in the shape of the extrusion. It adjusts the shape of the extrusion from one profile to the other, and it's a very interesting operation. In this operation, we can use more profiles. I will delete all geometries here, and now I will create several profiles. Okay, I have these profiles, and now I will change the position of these profiles. Okay, now I select three profiles with the Shift key and choose the Loft operation. This way, we can create solids. Of course, there can be more of these profiles. Here, I wanted to show you an example of how this operation works. Now I will press Ctrl+Z, and we will do it in a slightly different way. I will select this profile and rotate them a bit. I press the R key and add a slight rotation here. Okay, I will do something similar with this profile. I press R and also gently rotate this profile. Now I will press G and move this profile a bit. Okay, now these profiles look like this. I switch to face selection, and with the Shift key, I select these areas. I press the L key to activate the Loft operation. This way, we have achieved something like this. As you can see, this operation can be very useful, and using this operation, we can achieve really interesting effects. We will finish here. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.